So, how can you do this problem in 60 seconds or less? In the given pair of equations a and b are constants, the graph of this pair of equations in the xy plane is a pair of perpendicular lines, which is important. Which of the following pairs of equations also represents a pair of perpendicular lines? So the slope here is equal to -5/7. The slope of the bottom is -a/b, hence -5/7 is equal to b/a. Now, these two will have to go. Now, for b, we have -10/7 and -a/2b, which means that -10/7 is equal to 2b/a, and the answer is B. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So we have the original system of linear equations right there. Now, the slope for the top equation, if you're going to rewrite it, it's going to be 7y is equal to -5x plus 1. Divide everything by 7, so we get y is equal to -5/7x plus 1/7. Now, this we don't care at all. We only care about this -5/7, and we have to do it very fast. So I was doing this in my head. So the slope for the first equation is -5/7. Now, the slope for the second equation is by is equal to -ax plus 1. Divide everything by b, so we get y is equal to -a/bx plus 1/b. Now, this we also don't care about, so this is just -a/b. All right, so we know that since these lines are perpendicular, they are negative reciprocals of each other. So we know that -5/7 is equal to positive b/a. So we're flipping upside down the second slope. So that is what we know. This is a piece of information that we know from the system of linear equations. Now, what can we do? So check this out. See how this is minus and plus? This is how this is plus and minus, how this is plus and plus. In order for us to make sure that the two slopes are negative reciprocals, will be matching, they have to follow the same plus-plus type of scenario, but they don't. So therefore, A and D, we can eliminate those. Now it's between B and C. So let's go for the B. So the slope for the top equation is -10/7. The slope for the bottom equation is -a/2b. If they are negative reciprocals, then we'll have -10/7 is equal to positive 2b/a. I'm just flipping this thing and negating it, making it positive therefore. Now, if you are to compare, let me just do a different color. If you are to compare this to that, we see how they are identical, right? Because if we divide this blue equation by 2 on both sides, we will get -5/7 is equal to just b/a. So hence, B is the right answer. But what if we went with C? So for the C, for this equation, the slope is going to be -10/7 as well. Now, for that equation, the slope is going to be -2a/b. If they're negative reciprocals of each other, then we'll have -10/7 is equal to positive b/2a. And that is not, well, let me just do a different color again. This is not matching with the original equation. So C is wrong, B is correct. That is the answer. That's it.